categories of our leaders. I will start with all chairpersons of the party's standing committees. Those members of the standing committees, our elections board, our disciplinary committee, etc., kindly rise up so that we can welcome you officially to this National Governing Council. I can see the members of the board there. Let us welcome them with a clap. Asanteni sana. They are led by Chair Madam Aweta. That is the chair of our elections board, which we are changing to National Elections Coordinating Committee today, if this meeting adopts. I want to welcome all national officials of our Disability League. The Disability League, led by Mr. Akir. Yeah, the National League. Thank you very much. Makofi. Then I'm moving to our Youth League. The national officials of the ODM Youth League, led by Ketora. Thank you. I can see a good number. Let's clap for them. Then we come now to the Women League, led by the President, Madam Beth Siengo. Women League, asanteni sana, tuwapigie makofi. I want to introduce officially all majority/minority leaders of our county assemblies. All majority/minority leaders of the county assemblies. Karibuni sana, makofi. Thank you. I had already introduced all members of the National Elections Board. I want to now introduce all chairpersons of branch executive committees, that is constituencies. Mainstream. All chairs, rise up. I think that is where we have the largest number. There should be 290. Makofi. Asanteni sana, you can see it's a full house, Your Excellency. May I now welcome all chairpersons of county coordinating committees, the 47 of them across the country. Again, you can see the attendance is impressive, especially to my right. On the party leaders left, the majority have arrived. Makofi. Thank you. All members of the parliamentary group, that is members of the National Assembly and the Senate. Members of the National Assembly and the Senate are led by the two minority/majority leaders, the Honorable Pio Wandai of the National Assembly and Stewart Madsayo of the Senate. Karibuni sana, asanteni sana. I hope more members are still on their way. Let me now introduce all members of our Council of Governors together with their deputies. All governors together with their deputies. I can see good attendance. It's impressive. We'll come to introduce you later. But I can see we have Hilif in the house, Migori in the house, DC in the house, who is also my vice chair, Mombasa or 001 in the house, Kajiado in the house, Kakamega in the house, Baraza, we have Siaya in the house, Busia in the house. Yeah? And I can see Garissa, deputy governors, yeah? So we will come to introduce you later. Finally, is the members of the National Executive Committee, NEC members. NEC members, where I also belong. NEC members, and plus the party leader and the two deputies are also NEC members. Karibuni sana, makofi. So, honorable members, before I give my short remarks, I will want to first invite Philip Etale to take